For 3 years of my high school career, I spent most of my Thursdays packing lunches for underprivileged kids within our elementary school system. And then on Fridays, we would actually go out and deliver these packed lunches to these kids while they were at school. When someone asked me what it means to be a role model in a time in which I thought I was a role model, I look back to my years in the backpack program and just remember the kids and their light within their eyes, and then the questions they asked about high school and what it was like to be an older adult, someone that they thought was just like Superman or Superwoman. And being a role model has taught me that you're gonna meet so many people in life and they're gonna be going through so many different things, but it's not about your accomplishments, it's not about being in the NHS, but it's more so the difference you make within their lives and the impact you make within their lives. And while I was in the backpack program, I was on a board with officers, and our president was just very analytically driven. He looked at numbers and he fixated a lot of our budgeting on numbers and the fact that we didn't have enough money to keep feeding all these kids. So there came a point where he decided he wanted to cut some of the kids from the program. Me being the emotional person I am, I said, we can't cut these kids. It can't be that harsh or that simple. So we bickered a lot and we had a lot of difference of opinions, but together through the arguments, we came up with the NHS Glow Run, which was a fundraiser of a 5K, and through that we were able to have enough funds to keep our program going and keep the amount of kids we had going. And as an RA, you're going to come across people from all walks of life. You're going to come across people who feel like they don't have anything in their life, and you're going to have to be that crying shoulder or that light or that role model that they look up to. And you're going to work with people that don't share the same opinions as you. But if you have the same goal and you guys work somehow together, teamwork will make the dream work even.